What's up, guys? Josh with Maryland Performance Diesel, and today we're going to be going over some of our new stuff. Not a new concept, but we are building these budget kits now for the 2020 trucks. This is the new 2020 to 2021 turbo, the factory one. They're big, they're heavy, they're bulky. They do decent, but they don't really hold up power-wise. So we offer our budget kit. It's a drop-in BorgWarner S300 SXE. It comes in the 63 quick spool, so it's a 63 millimeter with a 68 millimeter turbine. And then we have our standard, 64.5 SXE and then the 66 SXE, depending on what you want to do power-wise. Fitment-wise, it's a little different than the 11 to 14s and the 15 to 19s. Obviously, the up pipes are different. We're including on all of our budget kits now, we're including the factory sensor ports in the up pipes. So that's new for the 2020s and just the budget kits in general. But the difference on the 2020s mainly is we're going to be working on a solution. We have to extend the inlet for the compressor cover to fit, because this one is very, very, very long forward. The compressor wheel is really deep in there. So we're gonna make something for the front of the compressor cover. Other than that, the outlet's gonna be the same as normal. The base plate is the same as normal. And then we have, it's easier to see this way, a different spacer in the center. So the spacer between the turbo and the pedestal is different because the height of the 2020 and up turbos is in between the 11 to 14 and the 15 to 19. So again, Ford just doing their best to make more part numbers. So here is your amazing, super awesome factory up pipes that like to blow out. And here is the actually super amazing budget kit up pipes. So as I stated before, 304 stainless, it's 120 wall cast, piping, heavy duty bellows. Obviously it's welded a lot better. T4 flange, good and heavy. 3-bolt flange is good and heavy. This is how they come without the up pipes on them. This is how they come in the box. So we have the whole turbo assembly mounted on the pedestal with the oil feed line, all ready to go. And that's pretty much it as far as it goes. It is just a new version of our budget kit design, which we've been doing in this iteration for about 5.5 years now. And then the new thing we're going to be doing, coming soon, we're still working on it, is these heavy duty replacement up pipes. So we got it marked here. This is one of the up pipes for 11 to 14 manifold with a 15 to 19 turbo. So what this is going to do is make it to where you can swap out a retrofit kit, like a newer 15 to 19 style turbo on your 11 to 14, and you can put heavy duty up pipes on it without having to run this junk that tends to blow out and do all this stuff. So these are going to hold up a lot better, and it means you're not going to have to swap your exhaust manifold over, which you normally would have to do for a retrofit kit. So these are going to be really great. We're going to offer those for the retrofit trucks. We're also going to offer those for the stock turbo non-retrofitted trucks. So we'll have them for the 11 to 14 manifolds and for the 15 and up trucks. So you don't have to worry about your up pipes blown out if you want to run a high horsepower, modified VGT, big fuel system. If you're running in like a farm stock or a stock turbo polling class, but you're having issues with up pipes and bellows and clamps going bad, because I've seen that a lot, these will solve your issues, and these are coming soon, we'll say. Let's just go with that. And that pretty much covers everything. We should have all this stuff ready to go in the next couple of weeks. We're just finishing up the final touches. Like I said, we got to finish up the modification for the compressor cover inlet for the 2020 budget kits, and then we will be releasing everything in the next few weeks. So keep an eye out for it, guys. Thank you. Hey guys, if you want to see the new latest and greatest from us at Maryland Performance Diesel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.